We have got everything you need to know about the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Samsung's upcoming foldable phone. It's pretty early to start thinking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. After all, the Galaxy Z Fold 2, which debuted in September, still has that new foldable phone aroma. But try telling the people who circulate phone rumors that we're a long time away from seeing the successor to Samsung's impressive and pricey foldable device. All you're likely to hear in reply is more Galaxy Z Fold 3 rumors. So yes, the first hints of what to expect from the follow-up to the Galaxy Z Fold 2 are starting to percolate, even if we're a little less than a year away from finally clapping eyes on this anticipated phone. The good news for Samsung? Because it so swiftly corrected the flaws that marked the original Galaxy Fold with its foldable sequel, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will likely focus on enhancing what's already there rather than overhauling the device. Here's a roundup of everything we've heard about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, including when to expect Samsung to release this upcoming phone. A report from the LX says the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be arriving in Q3 2021, and new features mean it's shaping up to be a true Galaxy Note successor. Samsung typically holds one of its Unpacked events in the first half of the year, where it shows off the latest Galaxy S flagship device, along with any other products that are ready to ship. Galaxy S21 leaks suggest an early launch date than usual, possibly as soon as January. Could we also see a Galaxy Z Fold 3 at that time? Don't count on it. Given that Samsung just took the wraps off the Galaxy Z Fold 2, it was previewed at the same time as the Galaxy Note 20 before a September release showing off a follow-up phone in the first half of 2021 is too quick of a turnaround. Instead, we are supposed to be seeing the Galaxy Z Fold Lite in Q1 2021. While the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 2 are set to follow in Q3. That means roughly a 12-month gap between the Z Fold 2 and its successor, and hopefully is the start of a more typical annual release. Not like the 18-month gap between the launch of the Galaxy Fold and Z Fold 2. While the Z Fold 2 launched in September, it's possible we may see it slightly earlier this time round. The Galaxy Note 20 launched in August, and since word is we're getting the Z Fold 3 instead of a Galaxy Note 21, it makes sense that Samsung might reuse the Note's old launch window for foldables from now on. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 costs a hefty $1,999, making it Samsung's most expensive phone by far. We're too early in the rumor cycle to hear much about the phone maker's pricing plans for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but barring any radical change of direction in what Samsung includes in this foldable phone, we'd expect the price to remain high.